So we are almost done, guys. Now the next thing to do is to write your CTA. Now in flyer design, what should note is first your header, which is this. This is your title of the design. This is the title of the design. Then your subtext or subtitle, which is trading. Which is trading crypto. You can see it, trading crypto seamlessly, right? Then your highlights or what your services are, right? This is it. You buy and sell and other stuff which can be this. Then your call to action. You don't design flyer and you won't add a call to action. Your call to action is your phone number, your email address, and stuff like that. So that's the last thing that is left, and to spice up the design and add our logo and stuff. Now I'm going to show you something very nice. Now just by still using Nexa code. So I'm going to copy it and edit it, right? Copy and edit it and write call us now or contact us, right? To make it, since is right, so I'm going to increase the size to like 20 so that they can see it, and always make your call to action visible, because if your client or your viewers cannot get or see the call to action on time, the purpose of the flyer is already bad already. So that's why some designs do not convert, because the call to action is not sharp. You get. Then you add your number, edit it and write your number, and look at this trick now to making this number look very professional. When you write it as if you are writing number in your phone contact, in this space just writing a random phone number, write it like this. If you have your clients, or you post this now and you have your clients watching this is how you should leave your phone numbers in your design to make it, to give it that premium vibes. Yes, so we know what I'm doing. So now we need to use black. So I'm going to make it in the middle. I can increase the size too, because the size cannot be the same. Oh, my voice is I'm having cold, that's right. So yeah, so let me make it, yeah, and this is nice. And I can see the design is already done, it's okay, but if you want to exceed the client's expectation and your client not give you logo, and they ask you to create a logo for them, this is the, you can't, god, what I'm teaching you now is, oh god, just watch how to create a very simple logo, yeah, on pixel app. So now the name of the brand name is Nexa Coin Points. Now we are going to create a text block logo, just right, and going to make a text block logo right now. Need the color to be black, because yeah, like I said, that color for black for lighter background. And you have this font too. The font I'm using is it should be in your, it is in your, capture it, it is in your own version, capture it, or if you see any font that is like breaking like this, you should have it there. Then I'm going to increase the size first, so I can bring it need to increase the size and make it touch the edge. Let me lock. I'll lock this to make it touch the edge. Get then going to put this in the middle. Going to increase it again. Make it in the middle again. Just touching the edge. More, yeah. Now you can see this is your logo already. Nexa coin bot. This has to make a letter logo. Very easy, very simple. Like this, you can charge your client at least 15,000 naira. If I'm saying less for a design like this. So now to make it more better to move, we're going to merge it together. We're going to merge the text and the shapes together, right? So I'm going to join it. This where I press, press it again. Then you press this. You press this thing at this down part. Then click on it, and then you click on this. Just merge this, right? Okay, and so it will take some time for it to measure. Great. That's merged. Now we can now resize it. Just to make it, give it. Your logo should always be small. 4 is okay. I would like putting 3. 3 can be okay for this, but it's okay by 4, sure. Then I'm going to copy this text again. Copy the text and write Nexa coin bot. Nexa coin bot. Great, to make it, that's how we have already gotten our logo for the brand. And with this, oh god, even if you did not ask for logo and he did not give you any logo to add, if you do this for him, oh god, he will love it. He will love you. He will keep on coming to you back. So that's his logo. The next thing to do is to add something inside this guy here. So I'm going to add a trading photo that I downloaded on my phone. It's trading site. So I'm going to like add it into this place. So make it size, make it fit inside, so as it look premium. Now you cannot see it very, so we're going to like zoom it in. I'm going to zoom it in. See this zoom, please, a bit. Press it. Then tap those white, hold your screen 2 times and grab and increase it. Then press this big button back. Grab. Press it back. Now I can zoom in. I can see what I'm doing there. And I'll get it a little bit. Size it to the middle. On this black size make it fit. But never, don't expand any image again. Just for, yeah, it's nothing to see. Yeah, this is fine. Then tap is back. Yeah, it's fine. Now I can see it's looking premium already. Then we are done with this design. We are done. The next thing to do is to add your visuals. We're not add visuals like so. Like I said, your design should be more visuals than text. But this is actually nice. But let's just add something to spice things up. So I've added it, and what I'll do now, I will click here to flip it. Just flip it. You get. Then going to do the size. Now I said if you are designing for a brand that sells clothes, your visual should be clothes. So just use your your creativity to make the visuals and everything come alive and obey design principles. Oh, you get why, Now I'm going to increase the a little bit, reduce a little bit. I can increase the size a little bit also. Yeah, and don't make your visuals too big to make it look, like I said, simplicity aligned with white space. So yeah, then going to add the coins. You saw coins there now. Yeah, so this is it. So I'm going to put it at the side. So I'm going to make it smaller because it's too big. Just do the size, put it around here. You can increase the size more. So like 15. Okay. Yeah. Then to black. I'm going to copy it. Put the same. To black. Copy. Put the same. To black. Yes, I'm going to arrange it. Don't let your visual be scattered too. Now this is how to create a design for a crypto trading brand or a company. Very easy. All design principles was obeyed. Most of the text was aligned to the left. You can see white spaces. You can see proximity. Everything is just wow. So let me see your own design, duplicate it, and let's see. So next time, thank you for watching. So yeah, before I go, to save this design, save it, first of all tap this right here, then tap save as project. First always save your work as project, give it a name. You can write Gucci, you can write Mace, you can write a bib name and press OK. Then to save as image, always save your image in ultra mode. I beg, it will give it the highest quality. And to be a professional designer, your design must be in high quality, as your client wants a quality design. So always set it in ultra mode, either PNG or G, then click save to gallery grab. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.